being poor, hindi ibig sabihin nun unhappiness or automatic, mag-assume na unhappy ka. And hindi ibig sabihin nun bad life ka kaagad. Sabi niya kasi, a lot of people daw around the world, iniisip nila Cubans are poor and that means bad life. Meron lahat ng tao sa Cuba. Hindi daw totoo yun. Sometimes daw, it doesn't matter kahit meron kang $1 billion. If you are unhappy, wala kang family, wala nagla-love sa'yo, yun yung nararamdaman mo, it means nothing. Kaya sabi niya, parang even kitain niya lang daw a month is $500. As long as nakikita niya yung $500 na yon, may napupuntahan yung education ng son niya, tapos divorce siya, may second husband na siya, doon napupunta, and that means everything sa kanya. And that was so beautiful. Kasi nagkwento ako sa kanya na I've been feeling sad and hindi ko makuha yung reason. Bakit? So sabi niya, you're going through a transition. Because yung 30s daw, medyo mahirap daw na stage yon sa life ng tao kasi hindi mo alam kung young ka pa or adult ka na. Kasi by 20s natin, parang YOLO, ganyan. So yung 30s daw, in between daw yun ng 40s and 20s. So parang nagka-carve ka ng path mo for being a better person. Kaya yung 30s sobrang hirap kasi alam mo na yung mga things na ayaw mo from your 20s. So sa 30s mo, ina-apply mo na siya.